at the orange garage. And as you may remember, these elevators have been broken for quite a while. Apparently, not anymore. It actually happened. They actually fixed these. Oh my God. These have been broken for literally years. No way, these are like finally working. Oh my God. I haven't actually ridden these in so long. That sounds great. Oh, I guess that one's still broken. Nice. You know what? You can't have it all, but hey, the fact that one elevator here is working, that's a Christmas miracle. Look, I don't know if you can see my breath, but it's very cold in here. This is genuinely hilarious. Like, I actually have not ridden these since when I was a child. That's how long these have been broken. Oh my God, I'm a grown adult now. It took me, I literally grew up in the time that these were broken. That's funny. Anyway, let's see 5. I'm curious if that one's sitting open there. That is wild. These aren't hydro, that's a lie. They are 2,500 pounds though. There's that one. It's on 5. I don't think it was always on 5. They've been reborn. Seriously, I thought it would take a whole mod to get these things going again, but I guess not. Would you look at that? Anyway, that's all.